Understanding GoPro's recording limit.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into an interesting topic that many GoPro users might have wondered about. Have you ever questioned why your GoPro camera has a recording limit of just 5 minutes? Well, today we're going to unpack that mystery. There are some technical and legal factors at play here that dictate this limit. Let's dive right in.
Is the 5-minute limit a technical constraint?
The first thing you might be thinking is that this limit could be a technical limitation. Maybe the GoPro just doesn't have the storage or battery capacity to handle more than 5 minutes of recording at once? Well, this isn't entirely accurate. GoPro cameras, especially the newer models, have impressive battery lives and storage capacities. They're certainly capable of handling much more than 5 minutes of recording at a time. This implies that the 5-minute recording limit isn't really a technical constraint, but something else entirely.
Why then does GoPro have a 5-minute limit?
If it's not a technical issue, what's going on? The reason lies in international tax law, specifically a rule relating to camcorders. In the European Union, video cameras that can record for more than 30 minutes at a stretch are categorized as video recorders or camcorders. This classification subjects them to different, and notably higher, import taxes. To avoid these additional costs, many camera manufacturers, including GoPro, limit their devices' recording time. While the exact duration might differ, you'll often find that consumer cameras impose some form of recording limit to avoid being classified as a camcorder.
Can you bypass the 5-minute limit?
Now, knowing why this limit exists, your next question might be, can you bypass it? Technically, yes, there are methods to extend recording times, but they often involve complex software modifications that might void your warranty or even risk damaging the device. So, it's generally not recommended. Moreover, while the camera stops recording after reaching the limit, it doesn't shut down entirely. You can immediately start a new recording. Although there may be a slight interruption between clips, you can still record for extended periods overall. In conclusion, while it might seem odd that your high-tech GoPro camera has a 5-minute recording limit, the reasoning behind this decision is tied to legal and tax-related factors, rather than any limitations of the device itself. Remember, while you might face a brief pause after every 5 minutes, you're not limited in the total amount of footage you can capture. Hope this video provided some valuable insights and helped you better understand your GoPro's functionality. Stay tuned for more tech insights and happy recording!